Okay, I got me some potatoes. What I'm going to do is blanch them. So I washed them because I want to make French fries and potatoes and freeze them. You cannot freeze potatoes raw. You have to blanch them first. So what I'm going to do is take these potatoes, move them over here to my cutting board. I'm cutting some up to go with veggies. Then I'm cutting up some to go with French fries. Then I'm going to put them over here, rinse them really well. And then I'm going to put them in the pot. These are the squares, and the other is the French fries that I'm blanching. Also boil them, bake them, fry them prior to freezing for from 4 to 6 minutes. And you need to put them on ice to cool or put them in the refrigerator for the same amount of time you boil them, approximately 4 to 6 minutes. Once they're cool, then you can get ahead and put them in the freezer bag. Make sure all the air is out. You have a 1/2 inch space. You can suck it out by ear, or you can just squeeze all the air out as possible. These don't need to thaw prior to cooking. These were cooked in the oven. It will last 12 months of storage. Yummy! Don't forget, throw them likes up and subscribe.